Acer's entry-level Nitro and mid-range Predator Helios lines have long been laptop favorites for gamers on tight budgets, delivering good 3D bang for the buck with solid, if unspectacular, designs. Wedged between these two series is the Predator Helios Neo line, which sacrifices nice-to-have features like an all-metal design, a mini LED display, mechanical WSD keys, and per-key RGB lighting, while supplying must-have items like a full-wattage GPU and bright and fast display. Without many of the features available in the Predator Helios line, the Predator Helios Neo 16 has more in common with the entry-level Nitro 16. The two laptops, in fact, share nearly identical enclosures. The Predator Helios Neo 16 is just a Nitro 16 with an aluminum top cover. Both are excellent RTX 4050-based budget gaming laptops, each priced at $1,200, but the Predator Helios Neo 16 is the better buy with our test systems. In addition to the sturdier lid, it offers faster 3D frame rates. And the Predator Helios Neo 16 becomes a steal when it's on sale. It was recently at Best Buy with a hefty $350 discount, dropping the price to a reasonable $850. We reviewed the entry-level unit, model PHN16-71, in the Predator Helios Neo 16 line. It features an Intel Core i5-13500HX CPU, 16 GB of RAM, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 graphics, and a 512 GB SSD. I'd have a hard time recommending it at its full price, but it's regularly discounted at Best Buy. Higher-end models offer up to a 14th Gen Core i9 CPU and RTX 4060 graphics. Most configurations, including our test model, feature a 16-inch, 1610 IPS display with a 1920x 200-pixel resolution and a 165 Hz refresh rate. And there's at least one model with a 560x 600-pixel, 165 Hz display. A 16-inch, 165 Hz display powered by RTX 4050 graphics isn't uncommon in a budget gaming laptop, but the Predator Helios Neo 16 is better than most with this setup. The display is much brighter than that of the typical budget gaming laptop, and it has a dynamic refresh rate that can hum along at 165 Hz when you're gaming or watching video, and then dial it back to 83 Hz when you aren't gaming, to extend battery life. More importantly, the RTX 4050 GPU is running at full wattage. It's set at 140 watts, 115W from the GPU itself, and another 25 watts borrowed from the CPU via NVIDIA's Dynamic Boost. That's the maximum TGP you'll get from an RTX 4050. The Nitro 16 I tested alongside the Helios also has an RTX 4050 at 140 watts, but other budget gaming laptops feature lower wattage RTX 4050 GPUs, such as the HP Victus 16, 120 watts, the Lenovo 82XT LQ15 APH8, 95 watts, and the MSI Cyborg 15A13V, 45 watts. And if you scroll to the bottom of this review, you'll see that this difference in wattage shows up in the performance results. Its application performance was up and down, with a strong result on Geekbench 6 but only a middling score relative to that of the other budget gaming laptops. If a gaming laptop must sacrifice some performance in an effort to keep the price in check, gamers will happily take the hit in application performance rather than 3D ability. Acer made a smart trade-off with this model by pairing a mid-range 13th Gen Core i5 CPU from Intel's high-powered HX Mobile series with a maxed-out RTX 4050 GPU. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.